everyone, I'm Zhena Musica. I am the founder and master blender at clubmagichour.com. And this is Ashley Prophet. She is my assistant blender and an awesome mixologist who has made a very cool drink for us today out of Bohemian Breakfast. And what's it called? It's a Bohemian Alexander?
Yes.
Okay, and what's in it?
A gin cocktail. It's more of a dessert cocktail. And to do that, we're going to use 1 3/4 cup of strongly steeped Bohemian Breakfast, which is about 2 tablespoons, I would say.
Okay, so a concentrate.
Concentrate, yeah.
Cool. And Bohemian Breakfast is really good for digestion. It's a Puerh, so it's got probiotics in it, and it also helps the liver. So when you're taking care of your digestion and having a cocktail, that is turning a happy hour into magic hour.
Truth.
Yeah. Bohemian Breakfast is my go-to. Every morning I drink it. It makes me so happy. And a lot of people don't realize, but digestion is really the most important thing in mood enhancement, because all of your serotonin is produced basically in the intestines. So the happier your intestines are, the happier your brain is, and the happier your intestines are, the better you sleep, and the more just the more life works, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay,
and then the next thing we've got is some heavy cream, and this is about 3 tablespoons.
And you can also use, to make it vegan, you can use coconut cream. Works just as well.
And then we've got some dark chocolate syrup. This is 1.5 ounces of dark chocolate syrup. Just pouring that into our shaker with ice.
And that was Navita, organic fair trade chocolate.
On top of that, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of chocolate bitters, and I'm just gonna
What's a bitter?
it. It's a mix of herbs, and it's like a very concentrated alcohol.
Okay.
Kind of mixed with herbs.
Okay.
I'm probably not describing that the best, but that's as far as I know.
Okay. And then gin is a botanical alcohol, and it has juniper berry,
Yes.
among many other things.
And for 2 cocktails, we're gonna use 4 ounces of gin.
And is that more than a shot?
About 1.5 ounces is a shot, but generally cocktails have about 2 to 3 ounces of alcohol, unless it's a martini, and then that's got 4.
Oh, wow, that's a heavy pour.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna stir that up in our shaker with ice.
And you saw too that you could do that without the alcohol, just by putting a little bit more chocolate syrup or a little bit more heavy cream.
Yes.
So you can make any of these into mocktails. No need to get drunk. Just kidding. But what I love about this too is the theobromide and is it theobromide or theobromine in the chocolate? It makes you feel euphoric, and so does the Puerh tea, which is aged for 5 years in a cave, and so it's double fermented, so that's what makes it so heavy in the probiotics.
It wouldn't be.
Oh my God! It wouldn't be a magic hour video without spilling. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I love that.
Going off. There we go.
It makes it more fun.
Thank you.
Just don't get it on your pretty dress. Okay, so here's that. Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. I know. I feel like your mommy. Okay, here we go.
All right, and then we're just gonna garnish this. And I've got some cinnamon that I thought I'd sprinkle on top.
Cinnamon balances blood sugar, is great for circulation.
And then I've got some cacao nibs.
My favorite snack. Love cacao nibs, raw cacao nibs. Oof.
And then a full cinnamon stick.
How pretty.
Which will probably fall off your glass if you're not careful when you're drinking it.
Okay, or you could use it as a straw.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is like a chocolatey, creamy, digestion, loving cocktail. You ready?
Yes, we're gonna.
Oh, here. Happy magic hour.
Cheers. It just keeps getting better and better.
That is so good.
A little crunch with the cacao nibs.
Wow, I love this as a straw.
Let's try it.
Oh my God. It makes it cinnamony sweet.
Don't want to destroy your eardrums.
Wow, that is so yummy. I don't even know what to say next. Wow, that's like desserty, rich, creamy, delicious.
That'll put you right to bed.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Oh, well, no,
Bohemian Breakfast.
Yeah.
This is like you have this and, and you watch a movie or have a romantic night.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, well, our mission at Magic Hour is to elevate every moment into magic, and you can change your happy hour into a magic hour by adding all of these health benefits into your cocktails. So infusing the tea into your life, your cocktails, your food, whatever you want will elevate not only the antioxidants and all the health benefits, but it also, you can have fun with it. Like the whole serious tea time thing. No, we're
The
not
possibilities are endless.
Well, and our corporation is called Infinite Possibilities.
For a reason.
All right, thanks, darling.
Yes,
that was so fun. Oh my goodness. It's yummy. And the thing too with the tea cocktail ones, I never feel drunk. Like I feel a little euphoric because the tea gives you the energy, and the L-theanine makes you kind of bright and happy. So I never get like tired. I get like up and clear, and you don't need as much too.
Right.
It's like super satisfying and flavorful. Well, that was so fun. You did such a great job.
Thank you.
Good. So we'll have to do more of these.
I think this turned out better than the first time.
Oh, 1,000 times. I think the first time was like, yeah, this is amazing. Okay, so join us at clubmagichour.com for the recipes, and we will look forward to seeing you there. Here's to your health.